What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is yet again another little segment in this series of crazy amount of stuff on my shelves. What is it? What is it doing here? And what do I like and what do I don't like? This little installment is going to be strictly covering wheel cleaners and I guess tire dressings, tire cleaners. So I'm gonna start out with the wheel cleaners, and you know, obviously with like the other videos, I'm just gonna tell you I have an excessive amount of products. Many I haven't used yet, still working themselves in. Some I'm on my second or third bottle. I can give you my impressions of stuff and what I like about stuff and what I don't like about stuff. So that's where we go from this. I'll tell you if I haven't used it. It's all transparency, it's all honesty here. If I don't love it, if I haven't used it, I won't recommend it. So that's what you can expect here. This is probably one of my most congested shelves. Actually, no, they all pretty suck equally. But this one it's excessive. I'm very, very big, this shelf-wise, into quick detailing and waterless wash and rinseless wash. So I'm very much into waterless washes as like in-betweens, especially, well, for the longest time I had a garage kept vehicle, so I would have that. But this is what we're working with at the moment. So we're gonna just talk about tire and wheel cleaner right now. Then I'm gonna put some of this stuff back, pull out the tire dressings. Again, like I said, very, very excessive, but I do have opinions on many of these products, and I will tell you what I will order or would order going forward. Number one, I just got, but I'm very optimistic it's gonna work out really well. This is Shine Supply Wise Guy. I've said it in the other videos. I've been trying to venture out more into the Shine Supply collection of products. I've had a lot of great results with their polishes and compounds, and I've tried a few other things. I haven't really messed with their shampoos and other stuff yet, but I'm slowly trying things here and there. So this is a tire and wheel cleaner, but specifically I would probably just use this as a tire cleaner. It's a 1-to-1 dilution ratio. So for this, I'll get 32 ounces of product, which to me is fine. That's plenty. 32-ounce bottle is going to last me, with my needs and my usage, a long, long time. So I'm excited about this. I will keep you updated in future videos on this. Now let's start talking about other things here, because there's so much. This product, I love Meguiar's. I like their detailer line, their pro lines, all their stuff that they have to offer. I've had great success with, and I feel like a lot of their stuff I've tried in the past, where it's like, you know, there's a lot of these wheel cleaners that are like, oh, alloy this and don't use this and use this, and this is chrome wheels. I just like this one because they're non-acid, and I'm not a huge fan of acid wheel cleaners, although I will tell you right now I do have wheel brightener. You won't see it here because I have it in a gallon form. Actually, I'll show you somewhere. It's somewhere. Is it somewhere? Don't make me a liar. That's wheel and tire. Wheel brightener is somewhere. Oh, it's probably down here. Here it is. So I have that, and I probably have, yeah, I've got the all-in-one from Adams, and extra gallons of the stuff I did in the previous video. But I try to keep gallons on hand, and it's confusing to some people, because some people say, oh, you have a gallon of that, then you must really like that product. But that's not always the case. Sometimes you see a big sale and you're like, okay, introduction wise, let me get a gallon. Anyway, I really like this product. Non-acid wheel cleaners are my jam. It says wheel and tire cleaner, but I haven't used it on a tire yet, so I don't know about that part, but it's worked just fine. I've used it numerous times on the Tahoe and the wife's Kia and on a friend's car, and it's been really good. Now, HyperClean. I will tell you about HyperClean. I'm not really a fan of their wheel cleaner. I bought into the hype of HyperClean, and I got their little baggie, and I did the, whatever it was, 32 ounce thing, made 5 gallons, and they're hyper concentrates, and just not super impressed. The degreaser was all right. Interior cleaner wasn't bad. The soap, that's my bad. I think if you saw the video, I just diluted that completely wrong. Wheel cleaner was all right, but as far as it goes, and I can't even say like, oh, when it's gone, it's gone. I'm trying to give this away to people. Like, come by if you have a bottle, fill up. It's like a gas station. Get rid of this. I don't want it. I will not buy it again. This is a strange one for some people. I don't think a lot of people even know this exists. P21S. On my previous video before this, it depends on when I actually post, I posted about this, P21S polishing soap. Some people don't even know about this brand, but P21S has a wheel cleaner that I just like. Price-wise, it's not even close to the best. Strength-wise, it's not the best. But for me, what I like about it is the foaminess. I like the ease of use. Very much a product that has stuck with me since I very much started detailing. Like, kind of like the Meguiar's Gold Class shampoo. You just don't get rid of that. You keep that, even though, yeah, there are shampoos that can be better. The smell of that is just like nostalgia. You know, there's some products that you smell and you're like, it brings you back to a time. And I remember washing cars a lot, and my mom would be around here, and just the smell of that, it's just, you know, let's not get into our feels here. But this is a really good wheel cleaner. I like it a lot. I think it's something I'll just keep buying. So Built Hamber, they have the auto wheel. I've only used it twice. I can't say I'll buy or not buy it again. There's quite a bit left in there. I will use it more to try to get a better opinion. But so far, I really do like the Built Hamber, especially when it comes to their foaming, the pre-treatments. I know a lot of people don't use that and don't do that, but I do. I like to rinse the car off, knock off as much debris as possible, and then I like to go through with a foam dwelling and try to break down even more. And, you know, before you actually put mitt to paint, I like to have in my head as much chance as possible to remove as much debris as possible, which would cause the least amount of chance for me to like rub into the paint. So I've had a lot of success with the Built Hamber Touchless and the Built Hamber Auto Foam. I expect the same down the line. It's an active wheel cleaner, so it's a really good wheel cleaner, but as far as my favorite so far, it's not my favorite. And oddly enough, here goes one of my favorites. Adams Wheel Cleaner. I've said this in most of the videos. Adams is one of those love it or hate it type of companies. So I used to mess with them a lot in the beginning when they were just coming out. I feel like a lot of people didn't even know about them, and I knew about them. And one of the things with them is the wheel cleaner. I really liked it. I hate their detail sprays. I'm just not a fan of their marketing and I guess where the company is heading or has been heading. But they make a solid wheel cleaner. It's up there on my top 3. My actual favorite that I would say is better than Adams is Pns Brake Buster. I pretty much use this all the time. Like I said, I have all-in-one, the Adams all-in-one. I won't buy this again, but I do have a gallon of it, so I just use this as much as I can. I try to get rid of it. This was sent to me. I would not be buying this again. The Synergy Works. So the thing with Synergy Works, if you don't know about the brand, there's really not much about them that I feel is worth the boutique-ness of it. I don't know, as a like professional people, I don't think would ever really use that. As a prosumer or a consumer, I guess it kind of makes sense. You can have it if you want to try it. I like their tire dressing, and their shampoo's all right. I'm not a big fan of their wheel cleaner, although it's probably very similar to Adams in many ways. I still think the Adams edges it. So Coach Chemi, the Magic Wheel Cleaner, I like it. I wasn't wowed or blown away by it, but I do like it. And these two, this is the other confusing thing. So Glass Parency, I actually have a discount code with them. So if you're into Glass Parency products, you can use code OCD and check out with that stuff. Save yourself some money because paying full price sucks. But the cool thing with Glass Parency, I like a lot of their products. I just get to this point now and I'm like very confused with the tire and wheel and metal, and that range. I've used the tire and wheel. I like it. I haven't used the wheel and metal, but personally, if you're looking to try new products, I say yeah, give it a shot. I wouldn't buy this again just because of the size of it and the cost of it, and I don't feel like it does better than those, but it's there. Ethos, I bought this. I've used it once, and again, not super wowed. This says it's got the iron decon 2-in-1. I'm gonna try it again. I need to do videos on this, and I definitely need to do a video on this. I used this a couple times. I actually really like it. I'm slowly an Oberk slight fanboy. I like the brand. I like the people behind it. Oberk's got a lot of solid stuff, especially when it comes to their polishes and their pads and stuff like that. But it's not something that is like a super game changer. pH neutral is nice. Color change is nice. So it's got all that stuff. I do like that it is thick and clingy, and it does have some decent foaming. So it's all around. It's up there in my top 5. This, I didn't really like this at all. The Jax Wax. Not for me, and this is just a spare bottle. So they changed the color. So I believe the gallon I have was the blue that they used to have, and I think now it's like a teal color. For some reason somebody sent me that. I didn't get a chance to use it yet. So this is the Ultimate Waterless Wheel and Tire by Meguiar's, and you know, not something I think is worth it to talk too much about. Pns Brake Buster. So this is what I use it in when I clean. So I had the bottle for show, but of course I got 2 things here. Pns Brake Buster I think is very much a solid wheel cleaner, and I think everybody should try it. I got this. This was on, is this actually leaking? No, it's not. I got this on Amazon. It was some crazy stupid deal. I actually bought a bunch of them. I don't know where I put them, but there's you know, Super Clean. They make a solid APC. I like their all-purpose cleaner, and I figured I'd try it out. Not wowed, wouldn't buy again. Now, Americana Breakdown Full Strength, I tried it out, not a fan. Some people might say Americana Breakdown is a solid wheel cleaner. I didn't see it. I didn't love it. So I've definitely done some sort of content on this in the past. I do like this product as a quick thing. It's a 2-in-1 wheel cleaner and a tire shine. I would buy it again just to have it. This is older. I don't even know if they still make this, but this is a quick detailer I bought for your wheels. I don't know if there's anything different about this that makes it worth a damn to use it as a quick detailer as opposed to a regular waterless wash. But I have it. I might buy it again just because it's cheap and it's there. So this is really what I have access to as far as wheel cleaners go. What I will say for wheel and tire cleaners. Now, let's go here since this is what that is. For tire cleaners, I would stick specifically to either the Adams Tire and Rubber Cleaner or Wise Guy Tire. You could also just use an APC. Honestly, it really wouldn't make a huge difference. I feel like just having bottles on the shelves like I do, then go the route of having a bottle on the shelf. But this is all the stuff that I have. This is a buy again, not a buy again, for sure a buy again, P21S. On the fence about this, Adams Wheel Cleaner, it's a buy again. The Adams All-in-One, not. On the fence about this, likely not a buy again because I don't see the super value in it. Not a buy again. Probably a buy again. Definitely not. For sure, one of the best buy agains, Brake Buster. Super Clean, probably not buy again. Americana, probably not a buy again. But that's just where I stand with those products. Now, let's move to tire dressings. Another strange topic for me. I've tried many, and just also a lot of times you're looking at my videos and you're like, okay, he didn't cover this product, he didn't cover that. I've gone through so many products where I've probably used almost every single product, and I've either run out of it or I've sold it, or it's still on my shelf. So just because it's not here at this very time, it doesn't mean anything, honestly. So let's start back here. I picked this up because I've been venturing into tire shine sprays because my all-terrain tires on the Tahoe are a giant pain in the ass to apply by hand, and I figured why not have it. So I picked this up because it's a satin. I haven't used it yet. I have Coverall. If you're looking for an all-around pretty good solid spray, I like Coverall. It's really nice. As far as sprays go, that's it for me. It'll be probably just those two. I'm not a super big fan of spray aerosol. I think it's just a giant mess when it comes to everything. Now, like I said, Synergy Works does make a pretty decent tire shine. This is their tire shine. It's got SiO2. Whether it really does or not, I don't know. It's pretty good. It reminds me a lot of the Ammo Mud. So who knows? Maybe it's the same junk. This is old school for me, but I love it. Optimum tire gel, Optibond, one of the best ones I've ever used. Here's even more old school for me, if you've ever tried this one. This is just one of those I won't ever let go, even though I probably won't even use it much. I'm a big fan of water-based dressings, and this is as good as it got for me. I love the smell. Who knows if this bottle's even good? This is from like 2010. This is old. This is a newcomer. I'm very much into Coach Chemi, and PSS has been doing some work. I really like it. Jay Leno's Tire Shine, I've had a lot of good results with this product. I like the nozzle. I spray these on to my little applicator pads, which are somewhere in one of these boxes here. So I just sprayed on there and I massage it in. I've had some good results. Got this in a glove box, detail box, I believe, and I haven't used that yet. Used this once. It says natural sheen. It's you know, middle of the road. It's not anything that I would recommend. Now this, tough to talk about. Dura Coating. It's got a special cleaner that you clean the tires on, and this is supposed to be some kind of crazy permanent, fast drying, amazing, permanent tire clear coat, shine, beautiful. The owner just seems like a big prick. He blocked me on social media because I was asking him questions about his window cleaner, and I was making comments about how he floods social media with pretty much the same videos over and over again without going too in-depth into the things that matter for people like me, things that I want to see. I got blocked. So this sat on my shelf. I haven't used it yet, and odds are I might not. This, I forget when I got this. Somebody probably did a video, and in a moment of mental weakness, I bought it. Haven't used it yet. It's probably extremely too glossy for my liking. Probably won't use it. And if I do, I don't even know when I would. Got this in a glove box. It's just Tire Shine by Adams, one of their typical cliche boxes. This has been really good. Some people love this or hate it. You know, I really like it. The Geon tire. I pumped it into my applicator, I put it on, it lasted me a pretty dang long time, and I really did like it a lot. Haven't used this one either, probably honestly won't. Haven't used this one, Tire and Trim, honestly probably won't. This is the cleaner that goes with the Dura Coating, and who knows if I'll ever use that. Now, CarPro Pro, one of my favorite one. Water-based silicon oxide coat, it's just can't really go wrong, dilutable. Very good, solid, a tire dressing that lasts a pretty dang long time. Now this one of my buddies, he recommended to try this. This is Satine rubber protectant tire dressing. From the looks of it, it looks like this could be a pretty dang good winner. Seems like it's going to give off a nice luster on the wheels without it being super glossy, and it seems like it lasts a long time, so I'm looking forward to trying that. But yeah, that's all I have for wheel tire cleaner and dressing. Hope you saw something interesting in this video. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope everybody's staying happy, healthy, and humble. We're going to be moving along. Got a couple more little videos to film, things to talk about, so if you're interested in this series, let me know. Just keep on sticking around. Let's get these views up a little bit. Subscribe if you're interested, and if not, I don't know what to tell you. But hope everybody's doing well. I'll see you on the next one.